Hello, so are you genius? Can you solve this maths problem? So if yes, comment your answer in the comment section. So let's now work it together. So on our solution, this one is the maths problem that we are having. So 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a is equals to 138. So if you are joining this channel for the first time, I hope you have subscribed to this channel. So now let's now work it out together. So 3 to the power of a and 3 to the power of a is common. So the first thing that you need to do, we shall factorize it by now having 3 to the power of a into bracket 1 plus 1, close the bracket, is equals to 138. Then the next one, you shall work out the number inside the bracket. That is now 3 to the power of a, then into bracket 1 plus 1 is 2, close the bracket, is equals to 138. So the next one, we shall divide both sides by 2, since with the number inside the bracket. So 2 by 2 shall cancel, so now we shall have 3 to the power of a is equals to 2 here once into 138, because there are 69 times. So it's equals to 69. So in order to solve this maths problem in the correct way, we need to introduce the log from both sides. So that simply because 69, we cannot change 69 into the base and an index number, that is a. So now we shall introduce the log by now having the log of 3 to the power of a is equals to the log of 69. So from there, assume we had the log of x to the power of y. So this one can be worked out as y the log of x. So that is how we can work it out. Meaning that the log of 3 to the power of a, we can still work it out as a log 3, which is equals to the log of 69. So from there now, for us to remain with a on this other end, we shall divide both sides by the log of 3, this side also by the log of 3. So the log of 3 and the log of 3 cancel. So now we shall now have our a. So now our a is equals to the log of 69 all over the log of 3. So this one is not our answer. Don't stop there. From here now we shall factorize this maths problem by now having, so now our a shall now be equals to the log of 69 can also be written as the log of 3 multiplied by 23. Then close the bracket all over the log of 3. So assume we have the log of b, or the log of bc. So this one we can write it by having the log of b plus the log of c. So that is to mean that we can still change the log of 3 multiplied by 23 by now having a is equals to the log of 3 plus the log of 23. So all of this all over the log of 3. So now our a in this case, so a is equals to the log of 3. So we shall divide both sides by the log of 3. The log of 3, then also now plus the log of 23 all over the log of 3. So here now a is equals to the log of 3 and the log of 3 shall cancel. So a is 1 plus the log of 23 all over the log of 3. So finally, when we have the log of a all over the log of b, this one can also be written as the log of a to the base of b. So when you apply that formula here now, we shall now end up with a. So the value for a now shall be 1 plus the log of 23 to the base of 3. Then now this one now shall be our correct value for a. So we can still confirm this answer by now checking it and see if we end up with the correct answer. So let's now confirm. So our maths problem that you had was 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a. 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a is equals to 138. So 3 to the power of a plus 3 to the power of a is equals to 138. So already our a we had got as 1 plus the log of 23 to the base of 3. So this one was our value for A. So you can still confirm it, 1 plus the log of 23 to the base of 3. So anywhere where we head to the power of A, we write this one, so 3 to the power of 1 plus the log of 23 to the base of 3 plus again 3 to the power of 1 plus the log of 23 to the base of 3. This one shall give us 138. So from here now we can write it by now having 3 to the power of 1, then the plus means multiplication, 3 to the log of 23 to the base of 3, then plus this plus 3 to the power of 1, the plus means multiplication, 3 to the log of 23 to the base of 3, that is goes to 138. So here now 3 to the power of 1 is 3, then multiply by the log to the base 3, cancel with this 3, so now we shall have 3 multiplied by 23, then plus 3 to the power of 1 is 3, plus the log to the base 3, cancel with this 3, so now we shall also have 23 is equals to 138. So 3 multiplied by 23, we shall have 69 plus 69, and here shall give us 138. So 69 plus 69 is 138 is equals to 138. So means that our answer is very correct. We now say that the value for A is equals to 1 plus the log of 23 to the base of 3. So I hope you've gained something and understood something. So if you really loved how we worked out this maths problem, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.